This is a simple demo for the mobile app Coinmerce. It has a web version, but what I'm showing you is just what you can do on the smartphone. This is a home screen. When you log in, this is the dashboard you see. It shows you what your feeds are, your bookmarks, and the posts that you have made in the past, and the responses to the post, and deals, meaning transactions. The main actions are post, search, information. For the first comma, they were brought to this information page, which will get them up to speed to use the system. And if you want to search whatever you like, you can type in the keyword and select your search category. It could be all kinds of goods or inquiry or services, etc. Now let's look at the feeds. Feeds represent the post from people in your social circle, or post with a content match. For example, these are the feed that's happening from my social circle. I can choose one of them to look into. I can check when it is posted, what's the target group, in this case it's blank, who posted it, and the response I can have is I can respond it, I can bookmark it for later use, I can refer it. Refer simply means I'll pass it on to my social circle. If I want to respond it, oh, actually I have already responded this before, then let's see what was my past response. I actually sent out a message to the poster asking this question. I can continue to respond by adding more messages. At some point, if we decided to make a transaction, we can go through this process called start transaction, which essentially sends a transaction request for them to confirm. Once it's confirmed, the system keeps track of a record, and with this record you can check your transaction history under My Deals. It shows you how many transactions made, what's the total transaction amount, etc. It is important to have this because we also credit the quality referrals. So if someone referred this post to me and I end up having a transaction, the referrer gets some credit. Now let's go back to setting. Setting is where you can configure yourself. The main thing is the club. You can create your own club, meaning common interest group. You can request to join a club someone created. You can invite someone to join a club that you created. And here's how you configure your feed. You have been a member of this, so you get to choose whether you want to subscribe the posts targeted to this particular club, SVFDC. If you uncheck this, then you won't automatically receive posts to the club. Of course, you can invite your Facebook friends. This app has a Facebook integration. When you do this, you can choose your friend, and when you send a request, your friend will see, "Welcome to Coinmerce, the social commerce community," etc. Now, let's look at the post button. This is a key to the whole system. When you post, you first take a picture with this button, and then you post your goal, which offer something to sell or want to buy something, your category, and target which club, with the item name, value, description, and most importantly, you can choose to be anonymous if you don't want to show your name, and you can determine whether to tell your Facebook friends or not. As you can see, this is the entire function set. It's very simple, and you don't need to do a lot of work. All you need is to post what you need and what you can offer, and sit down and relax and see what's coming to your feeds. That's it.